Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gust & Cho Associates. Seller credits when you're buying a house. Please get them if you can. It always fixes problems. So I have a borrower right now that I begged her to get closing cost credits, and she just didn't understand. She said she can get gift funds, and here we are trying to close the loan, and there's violations. We had to extend the lock. We had to change the purchase price. We had additional credit cards to pay off, and she got all the gift funds, but it wasn't enough when it came down to it. Things started changing. The house had to be fixed. It kept going and going and going, and more expenses came. She couldn't get any more gift funds, and if she would have had seller credits, it would have fixed the problem. So that's just one instance of seller credits, how they fix problems. Others, when you have a lower credit score, it pays for the points, and it doesn't fail this QM thing that you just can't close a loan if it's failing. People always have deposits in their bank account that maybe the loan officer misses, and the underwriter catches and they back it out, so now you don't have enough cash to close. Seller credits fixes a lot of things. If you're just a regular borrower with good credit, maybe the rates went up a little bit, you didn't lock the loan, now you can buy some points down with the credits. So closing cost credits are always great to get. Now, if it's a competitive offer and you're going against 6 bids, I understand, but sometimes if you have to have them, you have to be that secondary looking bid. So hopefully you get the offer accepted by the sellers, because there's an offer that doesn't have any seller credits, but if you go up net higher than that person, maybe they'll take it. So let me describe seller credits. So conventional loan, owner occupied. You're buying a conventional house and you're putting down 5% and the purchase price is $200,000. You can raise it to like 206, ask for 3%, which is $6,000, and get the $6,000. It's roughly $6,000, and you get that $6,000 credited. That's the max that conventional let you do with less than 20% down. If you put 20% down, conventional let you do 6%. So keep that in mind. But if you do 3% down, or 5%, 3%, 5%, 10%, 15%, the max you can ask for is 3%. So that's one instance. FHA, you can do 6%. So if it's $200,000 purchase, you can ask for $12,000 basically. Ask for $212,000 purchase with $12,000 back. Now, if there's not $12,000 in closing costs, you cannot utilize them even by buying the points down for the rate. Then you have to forgive them, or you have to do an amendment to the contract reducing the credits. Remember, closing cost credits cannot go towards the down payment. VA, it's 4%. So on a $200,000 house, 208. 4% of 200,000 is 8,000, so 208 with 8,000 back. And for investment properties, including the non-QMs, it's 2% credit, and for jumbos, it's 2%. Owner-occupied non-QMs, it's 3 to 6. It depends what bank you go to. If you do 20%, you can give 6 usually, but not all of them. Some cap at 3%. So keep that in mind. If you get seller credits, it's great. Now, here's another reason why seller credits are good. You can do these 2-1 buy downs. If you get these seller credits and rates go up a little bit and you change your mind, you want to do a 2-1 buy down, now you have to go back and renegotiate the contract. The appraisal might have already been done. It's too late to get the credits built into it. When you do these 2-1 buy downs with the way the rates are right now, you have to get seller credits, or a 3-1 buy down, or a 3-2-1 buy down. You need a lot of points for that. So that's really only eligible for my FHA product. So keep that in mind. If you can get seller credits, please get them. It helps us help you. It helps you feel better about yourself that you're financing some of these costs versus paying from out of your pocket. You're going to want to go out and buy furniture, and financing $5,000 over 30 years at 6-7% is not that much of an increase in your payment. So remember, seller credits, try to get them. They're great. They fix a lot of problems. Give me a call if you want a mortgage. We're licensed in 48 states. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Thank you very much.